let me show you the quick and easy process on how to get logged into your NetSpend Skylight account. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. I will walk you through in the process step by step, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. The first thing you have to do is to open up any web browser on a PC and in the search bar search for netspendskylight.com. Once you do that, you will directly taken to its NetSpend Skylight login page. Now here, type in your username and password of your account. Now if in case you have forgotten your username or your password, you can retrieve it by tapping on forget your username or password link. And if you want your username to be remembered by the system and in the next login you don't have to type it manually, then you can tick the square box here. But if you're using shared or others device, then make sure to uncheck this box or leave this box as it is. Now, once you're done with typing in your credentials correctly, tap on login button in order to get logged into your NetSpend Skylight account. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your NetSpend Skylight account. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.